Meet the Ulefone Armor X31 Pro, the latest rugged phone from the brand packed with several noteworthy features. Let's dive into its specifications to see if it's a worthy investment. Starting with the design, the Armor X31 Pro is a rugged phone measuring 13.7 millimeters in thickness and weighing 306 grams, typical for this category. It boasts IP68 and IP69 case certifications, offering complete protection against dust and water. It can be submerged for up to 30 minutes at a depth of 1.5 meters and withstands drops from heights of up to 2 meters, thanks to its reinforced body. The device is available in 3 color options: black, black with orange accents, and black with green accents. For the display, it features a 6.56-inch IPS panel with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, ideal for gaming and fluid navigation. The screen reaches a brightness level of 800 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even under bright sunlight. Protection comes from Gorilla Glass 5, offering resistance against scratches and minor impacts. Under the hood, the Armor X31 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, built on a 6nm architecture. It includes 2 high-performance cores clocked at 2.4 GHz and 6 efficiency cores at 2 GHz. Paired with a Mali G57 MC2 GPU, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, expandable up to 16 GB with virtual RAM, and 256 GB of storage, it handles gaming and multitasking with ease. Plus, it has a dedicated microSD card slot for expandable storage without sacrificing the second SIM slot. The camera system features a 64-megapixel main camera with a 1.9 aperture and phase detection autofocus for sharp everyday photos. It also includes a 25-megapixel night vision camera with 2 infrared LEDs for capturing images in complete darkness. Additionally, there's a 2-megapixel macro camera for close-up shots and a 16-megapixel front camera for selfies. Video recording is supported up to 2K at 30 frames per second. Battery life is another highlight, with a 6050 mAh capacity that easily lasts more than a day of use. While the 18-watt charging speed isn't the fastest, it's sufficient for the large battery, taking around 2 hours for a full charge. Connectivity features include 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2, and GPS with support for GLONASS, GALILEO, and BDS, ensuring accurate navigation. The Armor X31 Pro runs on Android 14, offering a clean user interface without unnecessary pre-installed apps. It includes a side-mounted fingerprint scanner for quick unlocking, NFC for contactless payments, and additional practical features like a powerful 120-lumen flashlight, an infrared port for remote control functionality, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and FM radio that works without internet. While the weight might feel a bit hefty, it's a trade-off for its exceptional durability. The charging speed could be faster, but the robust battery compensates for this. Whether you work in demanding environments like construction or the military, enjoy extreme sports, or simply want a phone that can handle drops in water, the Armor X31 Pro offers a compelling package, particularly with its night camera and rugged build. This incredible device is now available for just $200, a stunning 50% discount. Don't miss this limited time offer. Click the link in the description to get yours today. What are your thoughts on the Armor X31 Pro? Share them in the comments below. Before leaving, join our exclusive X-Tech Deals WhatsApp channel to discover amazing deals, coupons, and stay safe from scams. All links are in the description. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching.